Good day, my co-masterand, especially to our professor, Dr. Losamenda G. Machete. Let me introduce myself. I am Mrs. Raquel Sabalones, a grade 5 teacher at Garcia Elementary School, San Miguel, Bohol. Now, let me share a topic about curriculum development and change. Let us define first what is curriculum development. Curriculum development is the idea of cooperative planning by any number of interested individuals. It is a collective and intentional process or activity directed at beneficial curriculum change. So, curriculum development is a plan to develop a curriculum by individuals for a beneficial change. To develop a curriculum, there are persons charged with the responsibility of planning, designing, and producing a curriculum, whether it be in the form of a brief document or an elaborate curriculum package. They are the curriculum developers. They are responsible in planning, designing, and producing a curriculum. Because when a curriculum will be developed, it should follow a process. It involves planning on what would be best for a curriculum development. So let us define also what is curriculum change. Curriculum change is a generic term that subsumes a whole family of concepts such as innovation, development, and adoption. Once a curriculum develops, there is a curriculum change. Speaking of change, it may include innovation, something new about the curriculum. Development is an evidence. For example, the result of the curriculum is developed when it comes to the output or the learnings of the pupils. It is effective and efficient to the learners to increase their performance. Adoption is being used in an organization. Paul Lance has contribution on 4 core chains of curriculum. 1. Some form of regrouping or new grouping. Number 2. The use of new curriculum materials. Once a curriculum changes, new curriculum materials also established and used. So, as of now, in depth ed, as we are in modular distance learning, we are utilizing modules fitted to the curriculum. Number 3, changes in teaching practices. The teaching practices will be changed in accordance with the new curriculum implemented, like what we implement, which is the face-to-face classes. Our teaching practices is different. Number 4, changes in beliefs or understanding of how the curriculum affects the learning. Certain beliefs on how the curriculum affects the learning. The curriculum must be effective and efficient to the learners. A high quality performance of the pupils is observed. When curriculum develop and change, of course, there is an innovation, which means either a new object, idea, or the process by which a new object, idea, or practice comes to be adopted by an individual, group, or organization. And with such innovation, Proper dissemination applies to unintentional efforts to inform individuals and to gain interest in it. When there's innovation, there should also be an evaluation activities. First, activity, implementation of the curriculum. Second, institutionalization of the curriculum. 3. New pressures for change and innovation. Curriculum development as a planned activity. It is composed of curriculum committee. It is very important in making a curriculum effective to individuals, and these are the curriculum committee. First is the committee, which is the superintendent. Next, the principal. Then the last is the teacher. The teacher is responsible in writing, organizing, and evaluation. There are levels of curriculum development. 1. National level. 2. State level. 3. The school district level. 4. The school level. And the last one is the classroom level. In classroom level, it is responsible on how the curriculum is implemented and how effective is the curriculum, especially to the learners to produce quality education. There are activities also of the curriculum developers. First activity, activities that are designed to maintain and reinforce existing syllabi, resources, and practices. They are responsible in maintaining and reinforcing resources and practices. 2. Activities that are designed to produce innovation, curricula, and concrete experimentations. 3rd, activities that are predominantly speculative and think tank approaches to possible future curricula. So there is also a site for activities. The characteristic of a generic curriculum development projects. 1. They are undertaken by large teams of curriculum workers. They make intensive use of surveys and questionnaires to assess what needs to be done. 3. Their development activities are assigned to teams of specialists. And the last one, they use elaborate procedures to communicate information, to advertise availability of other products, and to train potential users. That's all. Thank you, and to God be all the glory. God bless and keep safe everyone.